Okay, now we move on to Ielts speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a bad service you received in a restaurant or shop. So please, you can start.
Last Sunday, I went with my friends in a hotel for some dinners, but this experience was not good for me. And because the manager and the waiters' behaviors are rude, and they did not give me the services which I want,
Which I
which
wanted.
I wanted.
Carry on, carry on. You have to speak for 1 minute minimum.
which I wanted.
Okay.
I complained again and again, but he was not respond on my
He
complaint.
did
He
not
did not respond
respond
on
to
my
my complaint. To my
to my
complaint.
complaint, and the circumstances of the hotel, atmosphere of hotel is not good.
Was not
Was
good.
not good, and because the tables, cloths, and washrooms are very bad condition.
Washrooms were
Were
in bad
very bad
condition.
conditions.
Okay, that's good for a start. Don't worry. Now you need to practice all these topics. You've got the book. In the book, we have all these topics you can practice. Okay, now let's go on. It's speaking part 3. How do people, or how do most people respond to bad service?
Some people become very unsocial, and they become hyper, and but it is not good. Always keep us our behavior calm, and it is only solution for
Okay.
that.
Do you think services are better now as compared to the past?
Yes. As compared to the past, services are good because new technology, advertisement, this type of all things are counted in it.
Okay, that's better. It's good. Keep it up. Try to expand your answer further. You'll be all right. Okay. Thank you so much.